Hi, today we are at this beautiful Shuey Park in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. We actually rode our bikes here from Zen Electric Bike headquarters. Now when I was riding my bike from the headquarters to here, I noticed something and I wanted to share this. This is the benefit of having a belt drive system. We use carbon belt drive system. One of the big benefits of the carbon belt drive system from Gates is that whether you're on the road or doing off-road or on sandy beaches like this where you have sort of a lot of salt water, humidity, it really doesn't affect the drive system. This is true especially if you're riding your bike in winter conditions where you have a lot of road salt. That can affect the cassette, derailleur, chain. You need to constantly clean it. If you don't, then it will start making noises, it'll get dirty and the efficiency will go down. Now with the belt drive system, always it is quiet. You absolutely don't need any maintenance. You never need to worry about lubricating it. And the most important thing is it lasts 3 times longer than a chain. Why is that? Well, the belt has carbon fibers in the middle surrounded by polyurethane layer. This gives its tremendous strength, so there's no stretching of the belt. Even after riding 5,000 kilometers, you barely notice any stretching, which is not the case with the chain. Now, with the belt drive system, I ride on roads like this where we have humid conditions and salty water. No problem, I don't worry about it. I ride during the winter months, the road salt, snow doesn't really affect it. All I need to do is maybe sprinkle some water, I'm good to go. And most importantly, I never need to worry about greasy pants. You know, when I was riding my bike with the chain, I had to have this ankle wrap straps to keep my pant getting stuck with the chain. Now with the belt system, I don't have to worry about it. So if you look at it carefully, now there's something called center track. The center track, what it does is it automatically pushes away the dirt and debris, so it doesn't get stuck within the belt. It gets away, gets removed from the system pretty easily. And if you notice, if you get a bike with the belt drive system, you'll notice that it is quiet. It feels like it's never there. At the same time, it's doing its work. Sometimes it is more efficient than a chain, because chains, especially when there is a lot of dust, dirt and oily conditions, it can lose some of the efficiency. But the belt drive system, because it fits self-cleaning ability, it can be more efficient at times. So we are enjoying this beautiful weather. We rode here to the beach. Now I'm going to ride back on the trails. No problem. I never need to worry about it. And I can go without maintenance for almost 1,000 kilometers. Every 1,000 kilometers I do a little bit of maintenance, make sure the belt tension is okay. I'm good. Now the belts work with mid-drive motor and you need to have an internal gear hub. We use Enviolo and Roll-Off and Kindernay. Kindernay comes on the premium, Enviolo comes on the base model. You will notice that it's just a pleasure, delight to ride.